On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus John Osborne. File number is 10-02278OM.
Yes.
Council appearance, please.
Edward Hess appearing this morning on behalf of Mr. Osborne. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Osborne, today's the date and time set for an arraignment. You have a file almost 13 years ago, sir, for furnishing false information. Looks like you've been on bench warrant status a couple of times in this file. And then the last time you were on bench warrant status was May 10, 2011. And I think you were found in contempt and had to pay $50. You were to be released upon payment of $100 or to serve 5 days Ingham County Jail. Your balance was $160. That was supposed to be paid by May 19, 2011, or you would get an additional 7 days Ingham County Jail. Do you recall this matter, sir?
I don't, ma'am. Because I wouldn't know about
Well,
it.
from a citation, if I can remind you a little bit to the best of my ability, I have here a citation. It's from April 21st, 2010 at approximately 2:00 p.m. In the area of 601 Sadie Port. The allegation is that you provided false information to the police officers. Is that at all refresh your recollection?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Okay, well, at this point, it's best to probably set this matter for a pre-trial. And then we can see if we can get some other information, because I don't have a police report, so that's all the facts I have to refresh your recollection as to what this incident is about, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your home address?
4037 West Jolly Road, apartment 32.
And your phone number?
7402-9456.
Can you speak up, please?
Yep, 517-402-9456.
Okay, Mr. Hess, you can address bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. So it's my understanding the only thing Mr. Osborne is being arraigned for is a bench warrant? One bench warrant or two, Your Honor?
This is the only file that I have. Is that correct in the jail?
That's correct, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a bench warrant for a city ordinance violation from 2010.
Okay, understood, Your Honor. Your Honor, Mr. Osborne has stable local housing. He is employed full-time as a nurse's assistant. Clearly, this is a case that has to get cleared up. It's quite old by standards of cases. I do understand the court might have some concerns about failure to appear, but given the relatively minor nature of this charge, I would respectfully ask that Mr. Osborne be released on personal recognizance and informed of his pretrial conference date. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, I don't have a pre-trial conference date at this time. However, I am going to grant the release on the personal recognizance bond. It'll be set in the amount of $250 personal recognizance bond. We have here his updated address and a telephone number. It would behoove you, Mr. Osborne, to make sure that you, when you receive your next court date, to be an appearance, because you would hate to
Okay.
miss work because you were sitting in jail on a city ordinance matter from 13 years ago.
Right.
And so if you don't receive a court date within the next week, you should be reaching out to the court to find out what happened to your court date.
Okay.
To make sure you didn't miss anything in the mail and to make sure you get this resolved, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, you're all set, Mr. Osborne. Thank you.
You will.